Batangas Port BTS, Batangas Port BTS. This is motor vessel Precision. Do you read me loud and clear?
Precision, this is Batangas Port. I read you loud and clear. Change to channel 1-2.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. Channel change to channel 1-2, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. What is your estimated time of arrival? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. Our estimated time of arrival is 0800 hours local time, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. What is your call sign? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. How many person on board? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. I have 3-4 person on board.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. What is your gross tonnage, draft, and the type of cargo you are carrying? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. Gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons. Drop 1.2.3 meters. And the cargo on board is 12304 metric tons of iron ore, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. Do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is motor vessel Precision. We are carrying 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port BTS. Acknowledge. Thank you for the details. Please confirm the port of destination and wait further instruction upon your arrival. Over.
Batangas Port BTS, this is motor vessel Precision. Our port of destination is Batangas Port Terminal. We will wait further instruction, over.
MB Precision, Batangas Port BTS. Understood. We will monitor your approach and provide docking instruction upon your arrival. Safe passage, over.
Thank you, Batangas Port BTS. Motor vessel Precision, out.
Batangas Port BTS, out.